In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import and export Excel files on Monday.com. Monday.com is a versatile platform that helps streamline your project management and team collaboration needs. Being able to seamlessly import and export data to and from Excel is a crucial skill that can save you a significant amount of time and keep your data synchronized across different platforms. So let's dive right into the process. First, we'll start with importing an Excel file. This is especially helpful if you have data already organized in Excel that you want to bring into your Monday.com workspace. Begin by locating the plus icon, which you'll find nestled right next to the name of your current workspace. It's your gateway to adding new elements, and in this case, it will lead us to import data. Once you click on this plus icon, a menu will appear. From this menu, you'll need to choose the option labeled Import Data. After selecting that, you will see various import options, but for today, click on Excel. With the window to upload now open, it's time to bring in your Excel data. Simply drag your Excel file into the provided upload window. If you prefer, you can also click on the window to browse for the file on your computer. This part is pretty intuitive, and the system does a good job of leading you through it. Once your file is uploaded, Monday.com will prompt you to map out the column titles. This step is crucial because it ensures that your data aligns correctly, maintaining the integrity of your information. Carefully select the appropriate column titles, and then proceed to choose the title for each row. This essentially helps in structuring your board within Monday.com. After you've set up these parameters, all that's left is to click on Create Board. And just like that, your Excel file is now beautifully organized within your board on Monday.com, ready for you and your team to use. Now, let's cover how you can export data from Monday.com to an Excel file. This feature is perfect for when you need to share data with team members who prefer working in Excel, or if you want to conduct further analysis using Excel's robust tools. Start by looking up at the top right corner of your screen where you'll see three small dots. Click on these dots to access a list of additional options. From there, you'll select More Actions. In the More Actions menu, click on Export Board to Excel. With this chosen, there will be one final button labeled Export that you'll need to click, and that's it. Monday.com will package up your board's data and download it into a neat Excel file. This process allows for an easy flow of data between platforms, ensuring you can maintain productivity and continuity in your work. I hope this tutorial has made the task of importing and exporting Excel files in Monday.com a breeze for you. Thanks for watching and happy organizing!